If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon on the YouTube app and you will never miss any new videos that we release. Paper planes are one of the easiest toys to make and play with. In this video, we'll see 4 different and interesting ways of making paper planes. And all you need is paper. Did you know that scientists actually use paper planes to study flying, which then helps in designing aircrafts? Paper planes are very similar to real aeroplanes. They use 4 principal forces that help them to fly, and these are called aerodynamic forces. Aero means related to air and dynamic means constant change. These 4 forces are thrust, drag, lift and weight. Thrust is the force that pushes the plane forward through air. We use the force using our arms to push the plane. In real aeroplanes, the propellers or the engine fans or the jet engine creates thrust to push the plane forward. The second force is drag. Drag is the force that opposes the thrust. It is generated by every part of the aeroplane due to friction. The third force is lift. Lift is the upward force that is generated by the wings of the aeroplane to keep it airborne. We'll look more into lift shortly. And finally, we have weight, which is the force that opposes lift and pulls the plane down because of gravity. Did you know that the biggest paper aeroplane was 12 meters wide? So let's talk about what lift is. In 1738, a scientist named Daniel Bernoulli observed that a stream of moving air is surrounded by an area of low atmospheric pressure. In fact, the faster the stream of air moves, the lower the pressure drops around it. The wings of planes are curved in such a way that it creates a faster moving passage above the wings as compared to the passage below the wings. This curved shape is known as aerofoil. This aerofoil shaped wings enable the pressure on top of the wing to remain low and the pressure under the wing becomes relatively higher. And this generates lift. In our paper planes too, there is a small curve that is created on the wings by the folding of the paper, which always faces the front of the plane. The open ends are never facing in the direction that the plane has to go. The reason why paper planes fall to the ground soon and real planes keep going is because of 2 things. One is that the real planes are powered, while paper planes keep losing momentum due to drag and fall to the ground. The second reason is that planes can keep manipulating airflow over the wings according to what is required. But we won't go into that much detail. Now, keeping all this in mind, you can try making aeroplanes of various shapes and sizes and see for yourself how the 4 aerodynamic forces play out.